Share a glimpse through our lens as we create a sustainable farm, handcraft our home from the forest, and share with you our successes and failures. Welcome to the Old North Homestead.
Finally, that time has arrived when the sawmill is going up to the property. Good neighbour Jim, shout out to you Jim for the loan of his tractor and himself to lift this sawmill head, which is over 1,000 pounds, to the trailer.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Perfect, thank you. We're done. I mean,
Yeah,
that's perfect.
the machine makes it easy, don't it?
Oh,
So yeah, you could put this up.
the first I thought of was you because so that's 4 straps on key points of the saw head. 4 more straps to go. Sounds a bit overkill, but it's better to be overkill than under. Very close to the property now, and it's all a bit of a stop before we get to the actual entrance of the property. Making sure the tie downs are stable. They've travelled now for 2 hours along major highways, and it's been very stable. These tie downs, I'm very impressed with the tie downs. They're extremely strong, and it held the sawmill head nice and stable on the back of the trailer. Yeah, a nice little spot to stop in, and I was thinking this water looks pretty clear. Could use the water bladder to ship up to the homestead. It's only like 5 minutes down the road. Made it up to the property in one piece, ready for tomorrow with the skid steer to take it off the trailer and put it onto the sawmill base. Meanwhile, cut down a pine tree here just to be the first log on the sawmill. I'm excited. Tomorrow's the day. It is the next day, 5 a.m, and I'm excited. Come along. Once we get the sawmill in operation, this is the second log we're going to put on there. First log's already sitting down near the sawmill. This is going to be the next one. It's a new morning, and I thought I'd start boring in one of the foundation posts for the shed while it's still cool and not so hot. But bored down about 18 inches, and we've got ledge. It's not a big stone, it's a ledge. I've gone over here and here. So we're going to have to think about what type of shed we're going to build. I think probably with this situation with the ledge, we'll go for a floating foundation instead of putting poles 4 or 5 feet into the ground. It's just not going to happen. Even if this ledge was surpassed, it'll still take a bit of time to go down. Anyway, that's living off grid, I suppose, in the forest. Robin and I feel fortunate that we met up with Dwayne, the owner of Hilltop Rentals, whence this machine, the skid steer, operated by Jeffrey, was pulled out this morning to get the sawmill head onto the sawmill base. Now, these guys are experts and they certainly know what they're doing, and this certainly demonstrated the dexterity that's needed to get this sawmill head sitting onto the base. Well done, chaps. few more adjustments on the sawmill to make it perfect. But I've got a few boards there. There's a 6x2, 6x1s. The 6x1s are going to make out some of these stickers, they say, inch by inch, to separate the wood that you mill, so it dries out without bending or warping or cracking. We'll see. Boards came out they're definitely square, and there's a little bit of waviness down the edge there. But that's all for the start. And so now the sawmill is operational. I'm sure I'm that operational. It's freaking 90 plus degrees in the sun today, so giving it a miss. Do it for next week. Thanks guys for watching. Cheers, see you next time.